welcome guys, Greenback back again with another reaction video. Today I have some epic fire clash. You see me between Wiley versus Kano. And the people them say them two are some big top artists in England and in the UK. You see me? So them I check out them versus battle. Name Lord of the Mics. You see me? But before I start, guys, I have one thing to say. Right, guys, if me had a reaction, right, and if me like somebody or me react to somebody, I may enjoy the music, right? I may express them, enjoy the music. Though you don't want to hear my truthful expression, don't want real reactions, don't want fake. So if me I pretend and I hide my emotion, wouldn't that be fake? You see me? Listen guys, if me had a reaction, me not enough fake nothing, bro. If me like something, I like something. If me don't like it, I don't like it, bro. It don't make sense, you don't want fake shit, bro. You see me? You know, to be real and don't want real stuff. You know, if you don't want real, then you don't go find somebody else. You see me? But that's have to tell the truth, bro. You see me? Because I just do real shit or something, and if I like somebody, I express myself, say, yo, I like the person. You see me? So, if you don't want to do nothing, bro, but me not be fake, bro. You see me? Cause it's like somebody want me just like pretend to like somebody, do that fake, bro. I can't do that. But anyway guys, sorry about the rancy, but maybe just express this to when I see somebody say something. You see me? I say, yo, no man. If I make you know say, yo, if I like somebody, I'm not gonna see it from my face and I'm gonna show it. I express it. You see me? Freedom of speech, bro. We live in the West, we live in a communist country. Anyway, so I jump in the video, I bring in right now. Alright, Lord of the Mics. Alright, I am Swagon. Eat Eskimo, Igloo, Boys Love Girls. Alright.
Round one, fight.
Oh, is that me?
What time him young?
Yeah. Alright. Where did they come? Louis? Who's doing this? Yo, Bill. When I spit to kill. Spit like I set alarms, you know the drill. Entire crew armed, you know the drill. Bring games if you wanna play, you know, but we'll.
You're the money that moves up.
Click don't like when they hear the click, it gets nasty. Your tick chits coming nasty. Click coming nasty. Don't put it past me. Yeah, I could be nasty. Not that way that's trying to walk past me. Blast me, never blast me. Can't class me. With these other MCs, I'm nasty. And I do it my way, do it smartly. Soon come, soon bun down a whole party. No time for the bad minds trying to dart me. Can't harm me. Nasty is the army.
Wait, Kane, let me see if you're real or fake, Kane. Wait, Kane, let me see if you can wait, Kane. I heard you're ready, gonna play, Kane. Trying to
Yo, that really look scared, man. Wide up, man.
I'm coming up with the goods and I'm better than you, Kane. I roll with the bass, I'm heavy, Kane. You can never ever say that I'm ready, Kane. But Berry Kane, I'll pop your girlfriend, Sherry Kane. I'll pop your girlfriend, Kane. I'm ready, Kane, serious. Watch how you move, step steady, Kane. Your girl's nipple taste like strawberry. Who's book your book? Well, it is real. I'll show you the real deal, Kane. Who's book your book? Well, it is real, Kane. I'll show you the real deal.
You're spring, I'm a K8. You gotta raise your game, you lose it, fame. Who's to blame? K8's to blame. A Kane can't be tamed.
Yo, what the camera straight there, bro?
Welcome to the game, we invited you. I know I'm welcome, I'm inviting myself. Say no more, let my flow speak for itself. I kill spit and say no more, let the dog speak for your health. When you see Kane, never see an empty shelf. See Kane, never see an empty pocket. See beef, never see me, no on it, I see a chance. They never see me, run from it, I'm advanced. Sure for any weapon at any chance. Many weapons, got a link from France, don't let me get them. Just think my attitude stinks. Last chance to pick your wall lottery number. Draw 4, 4, 38 in a 9 in order.
Yo, no sir, I'm scooching already, cause
I'm out of order, so I ordered a gap with AK on it. The jaw like a living girl, see me in a hat with AK on it. Pray Kane's on it. Beef, pussy on, pray Kane's off it.
Kane, now you have to stop Kane. If you cross with it, then you're gonna block Kane, drop Kane. You're not a hot shot Kane, you're a punk and I know it Kane. I'm gonna write you off Kane. And if I've got something to say, you better say it right now. Or you're
blah in the background.
Kane, and it's Wiley, I'm live in the place, Kane. Yo, yeah, my name's Wiley, I'm grind. I'm trying to see it, you won't get beside. You won't get why I go past me. Don't put it past me. You will never ever outlast me. You're not as fast as me, they can't blast me. No sound waves will ever outclass me. Me and Mike will replace them quickly. You see Wiley, I slew you quickly.
I can see by looking at your chain is white. So feel free to tuck it in beneath at night. Cause I might eat you. I can make a meal of ice. And if I eat you, that's enough to
the man said tuck your chain in the night. I can eat you, I can make a meal out of ice.
Beat me twice, it won't be nice to see me nice. Cause when you see me, there will be at least a knife. And you can't beat me, cause I'm worth at least the price of a Merca X5 Jeep in a bike. And I'll milk you rolling with your wife in the ride. My eyes
Yo, the brother, man, look young, cannot say a long time, this is like years ago, you know.
too big for my belly. I want it all telling and all. Score notes, blue notes, and tenors and all. Pinkies, I want you got pinkies, but no brains. I'll take off. Pinky rings with no shame and take off. Rub it like it's mine and fake floss and shine like perfect teeth when they're flossed.
You're not real Kane, can't put the wool over. You fake nigga better pull over. I roll deep in my academics pull over. I make the rhythm MC sound good over. You won't see what I've done until next year, and next year I'll be in the next year, approaching the year after that. I'm futuristic and I'm contemplating. There's no defeat around here. I'm not a loser, losing it. That isn't me. Success, that's me. Money boy, that's me. I'm from E3, LON, GTP. Yeah, I've seen things I weren't meant to see, but now it's on top. You was meant to be. Yeah, I proved you eventually safe. I got a lucky break in the scene safe, but I'm only here to make paper. So
Yeah. Fight!
Load the tune, I don't
I run two and I run two. Man, how much run them up in this?
Lord of the mic.
yeah.
And the next thing too, where the hell them they record this? Now on basement or something?
I'll touch that. I'm gonna bring you this new song. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, everyone.
Bring him.
Escobar,
Contest me and my crew on a level. Kano couldn't slew me on a level. I'm a pro. I wouldn't have that on a level. If you heard that, it's just a rumor on a level. The level of MCing's gone up a level. I'm still around, still heavy on a level. When I war with the top boys on a level. Merkin bare face now on a level. I'm going for the levels of.
What's my boy at the back?
Who's that? Willie the kid? I bust with the cap in the sky. You think it's just a clap down on MCs? They
My boy.
keep on logos.
Yo, my boy at the back, I kill him, bro. Honest to God.
Missing, track it down. If an obstacle comes, slap it down. And I told you before, swing anybody round, anybody from any time will get swung
I'm
around.
gonna take it to another level now. Make it stack, no sit down. Can't no spread around. Raise the stakes, I make papes, don't bet around. You can see, but nasty, you don't bet around. You and me are not close, I'm the true sound. Take you out, how's the crew sound? Boy,
Alright, let me see now. Kano sound more like versatile. Like he must sing about, he must rhyme about different things. The other brother, Wiley kinda sing about, it does sound similar. To everything I must say, it does sound similar. You see me? Kano kinda look like him have the upper edge. You see me? Not about round, to me.
his love girls break
For
through
me, it's
sound.
still, isn't it?
Now the tune sound is the
So I don't
new
know
sound.
if I'm doing something new
Sound
to
in your
run
car.
tree.
Lose round, I'm a newfound young star. Round town, I'ma get down for the dough. Run rings round amateurs and pros. KA/Kano/scratch the show. I stash mash till the heat gets cold. I splash out when my tunes are sold. Won't rest on my tunes are sold. I won't rest on my plaques are golden. I won't rest on my paper folds. I won't rest for the paper. It's so over. Nasty bound to take over. New tunes and new moves. I move over. No room for you soon. I move over. No room to improve. That's you over. Nasty will last the longest because we're the strongest team. No push over.
Who's bringing it, not Kano? Who's doing it, not Kano? Who's running it, not Kano? Who's a bad boy round and not Kano? Who's doing it?
See me I say? This come like nursery rhymes, bro. Who's doing it, not Kano? Who's doing it? Listen, you realize though, Kano does have speak about different something. At least me I talk about Kano.
Not Kano. Who's running it, not Kano? Is it jumping there?
Nah.
Okay, let's go again. Yo, I'll be the boy who keeps the beats banging, and if it's beats without bass, it's still banging, and flows and rhymes are at a high level. Sorry, but I can't see you on my level. So, who flop? You're gonna get pop. I rock the whole block from here to Bangkok. What? Me and my crew, we're way too hot. Leave them in.
Yeah, this sound look better. This sound better.
We can't be stopped when I'm raw. You can't see me anymore. Every day I never say low to the floor. Before you wanna test my crew, you better be sure. Ready for me to blow up your sector. Then why not ready for the war? We draw the chainsaw and a lyrical war. And I bet you never knew I had the keys to the door. Some wife forget blades with a 4x4.
Yo, I'm from the hood, but it's just home. And ain't no place like home, sweet home. There's a whole heap of heat on the street, some plastic and some chrome. I'm old school like classics, I love a one-on-one, but I can play gun on gun. Some talk a good game, but they ain't practical. And they won't clap the two. I'll clap.
Oh.
I don't wanna play gun to mum, let's play knife to wife or stab bitches, I'm cruel. Why waste the clip? I'm poor. Wipe his war, man, roll up to the whip. Open doors and hold up your bitch. When the force open fire, back off if you got a back off, cause you might get holes in the hips. Respect the fire, will respect me. If you're repping for the hood, you represent me. And I'll be where 50 Cent be in a club with no bub, just some Hennessy. And benders a weed, I'm bad breed. Watch your back if you stay ahead of me. Cock, come back, be prepared, just know that. I ain't scared, just know that. I'll bust through the little holes in the crepes, where your toes at, so your little holes might
Oh, what a style him show,
Who's
dude.
gonna hold me back once I start? You crazy? I'll shut you up with a dum-dum, you baby.
Oh.
Bye, baby.
K-A-N ain't shotting no O's. K-A-N can't roll with the pros. K-I-N can't bust on the show.
No, listen. If I put the money up right now, I cannot hype that. I true what Kano would say, make them get rile up. So and I hear Wiley and I hear hype that. Kano hype that.
K-A-N ain't got no O's. Ain't shutting no O's. Can't flow with the pros. Ain't ready for the flows, but it's Wiley. I'm getting them hyper. I get them hurt like a baby diaper. The kind of rhythm, the lyrical sniper. I'll ban the boy them from flash your lighter. It's gun season, millimeter. Who want to test them, get the beater. We want fire upon all in farmer. We want them with the read like seeker. Kano wants to get Larry. I wind up for you, I make him get wary. Cause you don't know me and you won't know me and you can't tell me shit. I'm an OG and your girl should know me.
Alright, don't watch it. Round 3, yeah? That was very hot. It's level.
Me don't know who they be on the camera now.
Put that camera on me, I said.
Hey.
Hey, listen, this is Escobar dance. If I ever see any prick bootlegging this shit, trying to do that shit, I'll murder you. This is in the street.
Yeah.
Southern might suck him, man.
Alright, round 3.
Yeah, I'm hot and you've been here longer than me. But you can't hold it up longer than me. I can't foul, I'm original like Werbers. I got these cats nervous to bite in and out of me. Take a back seat cause of me. Nasty sound of the street. The streets talk and let the streets talk. If the streets eating, grab me a fork, I'ma do what I have to. Till it roll, think I'ma sell what I have to. Till it roll, think I'ma chase what I have to. Take whose girl I have to. Slap whose face I have to. I'm gonna burst, I have to. Can't sing it any other way. Can't do it any other day. KA just might switch and turn to the AK.
Listen up, Kane.
Oh, Kano, come back, Kano. Come on, Kano.
Who makes the gunshots clap game? Listen to the tape pack
Kano. You that win the tour all around them now, but round 3, more come on for round 3. Wiley come like him a fire up, you know, like him really get into the groove, you know, you see me?
I got 20 with him in the shot, Kane, who's a hot shot, Kane, E3 nigga, pink block, Kane, who runs the country, Red Kane, who made this flow, think it was me, Kane, Tiger, me, Kane, you can't see me, Kane.
Yeah, man, Wiley, I turn up on round 3, Wiley, I turn up on round 3. Kano, come back fire, man, come back fire.
Yo, fumble there, I did fumble.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Here we go, listen. So, listen up again, Willie's coming up again, start fucking it up again, people trucking it up again, running up the trap again, who makes the gunshots clap again, if we listen to the tape pack again, got 20, with him in the shop again, who's a hot shot again, E3 nigga pink.
Well, I wonder if I've done freestyle, oh yeah, I'm most freestyle on freestyle right now, right? I know. Like them right now, freestyle, clear, straight freestyle. Cause I must that.
Block again, who runs the country, but again, who made this flow? Think it was me again, Tiger, me again, can't see me again, watch how I go.
Yeah man, I must freestyle, I have to have my money now, because I didn't want to play that at class, so I must freestyle.
Step on the waist again, when I go a certain place again, they can't look in my face again, I'm winning the race again, bust my case again, setting the pace again.
Break it down, yo. I love the hood, and I ain't talking about jumpers, I'm talking about rolling in numbers, shotters, shooters, and dumpers, blocks for setups from punters, pops will step up, confront us, papers pray, we pray, but we're some serious hunters. Midday, we have some serious lunches. If it's needed, we spray, we play, we got some monsters among us, soon in Boxsters and Hummers, making thousands from hundreds, turning thousands to mills with 9 mils. Like us a lumpus, we make them numbers.
No, come on man, Kano man. Wiley on the bottom of your wood, same way. Round 3, Wiley. Wiley. So when the weapon's in your face, you're on some omelet shit. That's why I'm running, but I want you to work with. Everyday shotters get murked by who they're moving to work with. I make moves if it's worth it. When I move perfect. Hoods, gloves. If you're from the hood, show us love. Represent.
Round 4.
Yo, Wiley win round 4, round 3. Wiley win round 3. I'm not telling you.
I hear Kano making the wrong turning. Turn back, carry on, keep learning. It took me years, but and I'm still learning. But now I'm earning. They can't say nothing. Stop bluffing, or you might get butted up. Definitely hot it up. If we touch mic, try and run it up. I'm like the sun is down and it rises up. And if they want to clash me, while them up, no more smiling up.
While them up. That match, you know that match.
Now I'm cleaning up. Girls are dreaming up. Straight from the gutter road deep. Teaming up. See me and my crew in the corner. Leaning up. Listen to the style and flow. Heating up. People get beaten up. They can't keep it up. You didn't see me then. You just heard me creeping up.
I told you, don't put it past me. I'll soon come, soon bun down that whole party alive. You know I was spitting the truth, and on-tune spit hits in the booth. You can't stop K blind. That's what I'm giving these fools. I'm fools, them I'm playing them. Kano's spraying them. My mind set on money, of course, the new fools. Some are taking them. Kano's breaking them. You know, say Kano's making them look like anything. They're making weak rhythms with the hook. That's anything. They don't swing with my hook hits any chin. They don't bring it. My game plan's gonna win. Of course, no MC can push me. Of course, no lump sum can make me turn force. Running this all day. K coming to school these fools who's winning the race, who's blown up in a shorter space of time. Who's known up in the country.
Yo, man, I treat my boy whenever my little shaking the dog.
No time for funny style. See my money in the funny part. What's funny now? Break bread, eat though, big tummy now. I get me don't trust funny style. Willie bust gun for the. Yeah.
I care about Wiley, but every day you hear my name, you're not forgetting me. Not by a long shot, brother, I'm gone. Still in your face, and you can see what I'm on. I'm on a big scale, won't fail, standing up strong. Won't see me in your estate for ages. I come around, stay for a little while, then I'm gone.
Wiley, I turn up now, man.
I'm gone now, it's on now. I'm singing my song now. Your girlfriend knows what I'm on now. Always trying to show me your phone now. When if we get it on, I'll be doing you a little wrong now. I'll be doing you a wrong. I'm out of all the MCs in the game. I fear no one. Care not who's who, do what you gotta do. I fear no one. I care about nothing. While you're at the other end of my phone bluffing, I'm at the other end puffing. Let's see who's bluffing. If I ever start busting it up again, no when I would have to start busting it up again. When I see my shadow on the road in the back street and the weather's getting cold again, cause I'm possessed on my road again. So now when you see me on the road again, you
From lamppost to lamppost, we run the road. So, whoa, that's right on my street, that's my cup of tea. Heat, that's right in my week, we're all from the street. We're all from violent crime, theft and stress. Playing on my KA, that's BS, put a bullet in a screw face, double low PS. Let me just address, down below we rest, the underground, taking over the overground, all over town. Kano's in the picture now, what no amount, less than a long finger now. Kano one amount to nothing. I never roll nigga puffing away his money to the smoke kill him. Who's him? Cannot be king. Still I'm crown kingpin, see me doing this overseas. Run away with the game if you want it back, find me from city to city, from town to town, from lamppost to lamppost, we run the roads, from text to nines, from nines to max, from mat tens to mad friends, we got the most. City to city, from town to town, from lamppost to lamppost, we run the roads, from text to nines.
No, you said that already, you know. Yeah, it's about to already, man. You might say that, round, alright. Alright, round 1 and 2 go to Kano. Round 3 and 4 go to Wiley. So this is the final match. Whoever win the round here win the whole thing, you see me? Because you know Wiley turn up in our round 3 and 4. Kano with a run 1 and 2. I'm not telling you lie. But I think we're gonna win the final battle.
Sold like 2 G's in the LP. Rip the street, upset the beast, but heat between the teeth, make it sweat the stream. It's best you get lean. Forget your fear, shed tears. Nightmares replace a dream. That's not as sweet as it seems. Need to obey, paid, live life sweet like Kool-Aid. Cool J, remember this time from school days. Knock it out, cause my mama said like Cool J. Since kids always love the road. Scout electric in my household. Way too sick for cowpole. Roll with a chick up my sleeve. Yeah, I'll fight this chief with a brick up my sleeve. Ducking and weave, ducking and see. Too many me, so I'm looking for a buffers to breed. Lucky for me, my tight flow equals peas, paper, pussy, brother. You heard right? Break mics, so I'll get pussy at first sight. First sight, I look lightweight. Telling them like, wait, fight first. You got many things my rank breaks, so we can rhyme. So you got many verses I take.
in any crew. I'm looking for the top boys in any crew. If you're a top boy in your crew, I want you. If you're not a top boy in your crew, then what you doing? Where's the best MCs in your crew? I'm looking for the best MCs in your crew. We're gonna blaze the best MCs in your crew. If you're not the best MC, blood, what you doing? What you doing? You better check what you're doing. This ain't your game, rude way. What you doing? What you doing? Rally cap, won't stop squealing. What you doing? Just don't know what you're doing. Go home.
No, don't repeat.
What you doing? If you
No, I don't like when I repeat about the same something, man. Wiley, I repeat about the same something too much. This something else, man.
And I heard that trouble was brewing. If you're not top, well, you better check what you're doing. What you saying? I'm spraying and that's nothing back a day. And every day I'm on road all day. Won't have a bar, rude way. What you saying? Constant spraying. Had enough, now I ain't playing. What you saying? What you think that I can't hear? What you saying? Come in the mic and start spraying and say what you saying. After that, then I will come on the mic and I will start spraying.
Bring your games. If you wanna play games, war games, love games, let's kick it off. Lyrics, verses, beats and tunes. I write my own thing. You can't ever write me off. You're looking at the master. Play a mind games with the master. Mastered bass lines coming from the sampler. Harder, work harder for the Prada. Plastic, so plastic for the payslip. K8 thing. Diamond, bling. So plastic, platinum start swinging. Get those them stush girls start ringing. Like me, they never wanted me. That is KA's time to bad mine. Write my rhymes and mind my own business. Turn the tables, Kano, what's been this? Wishing you, but I know it's me now. KA's blowing up road. KAN, shutting them O's. KA/Kano with the flow again. You can't catch Kano, there I go again. Gash, Kano's got a bash of them. Papes, Kano's got a stack of them. Got a latch on them niggas watching my cash coming. Got a match for them niggas that's too masculine. My name is saying my name. I'm so straight playing the game. I'm in the game. I'm not asleep wide awake. I'm running the game. My name's Wiley. I'm the Eskimo boy. Yo, I'm hearing my name. They're saying my name. I'm still straight playing the game. Running the game. I'm not asleep wide awake. I'm running the game. My name's Wiley. I'm the Eskimo boy. I keep the beats banging. If it's beats without bass, it's still banging. Yep, flows and rhymes are at a high level. Sorry, but I can't see you on my level. I'm grind for the levels of flow and I flow rapid. Cause who's that? But he's a kid. I bust rapid. I bust a tap in the sound. Where you think is rapid? I clap down. MCs and they can't hack it. If my flow goes missing, then I track it down. If an obstacle comes, then I slap it down. I told you before, I swing anybody round. Anybody from any town will get swung around. It's the E to the S-K-I-M. Oh, you can't flow like the E to the S-K-I-M. Cat and I don't walk. I'm from Boy. I'm an E-Fruit boy, so... You best believe that it's gutter. I got 9 mil still. Best believe it's not butter. The best of me still to come, I only cop back. Once I pull, it's a rap, cause your actors I'm bad at that. There's no point getting mad at Mac, it might point at you, how about that? I got cats and no pets, that's funny, cause my food's the best like mummies, and that ain't crap. I'll beat up niggas that ain't strapped, heat up niggas that's too sweet, clean cut niggas that ain't right, but I'm the kick you while you're down tight, tight the chicken pockets after the fight, you're damn right. I write like a Jew, my flow's damn tight, and now it's up to you to get my grands right, but I'm a master, listen, I've been around since master system, been around the block, avoided prison, been around glocks, cops and robbers, been around rocks and lots of shotters that bypass the system, pass by disguise, cause we buy glass that's tinted, make guys pass out and die, that cut eyes like you hinted, that you wanted me to pull the trigger back so move from the ride, cause it depends if I'm peckish or eat, I got a fetish for peas, to get a Big Mac for beef, without lettuce and cheese, we're not letting them breathe, they get wetted with ease, fuck begging them please, they get leaded them, 10 of the knees, we got 10s with us, cock to bus, we can squeeze at 10 of them, Max and Mags, that's reality for me to see G's like Gucci bags, guns the future, guns the present, guns the past, bullets will bust the ass, your bottle's just glass, I'm a G for gangster, you stand for grass, don't stand and chance it, being a gangster, me and a gangster might creep by your whip, knock, click, click, bust shots at your wig, what can you do? I'm getting brutal, they're getting moved to, while they're in neutral, where can you move to?
You can try and clash me, I will show you how it's changed. I'm hitting balls far like I'm on a golf range. I'm the Eskimo boy, living in the ice age. I'm a street boy, living in the streets of rage. You can plot a plan, I will show you who I am. Cause before I was a boy, now I'm a young man. Your time's up, sit down, you're not a bad man. If you go against me, then bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, I'm from the same place, wake up. I'll make you run, I'll make you bleed, I'll make you shake up. If you're not involved, trying to get involved, then wait up. Watch I'll make your whole group shake up. Who's prang now? Yo, you got the shakes, yo. And only fakes get the shakes. When you're sending for your backup, then you're sending for them snakes. And me and them snakes haven't ever been fake, so.
Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video. Alright, yo. As I say, Kano, that mean we have win 1 and 2. Wiley win 3 and 4 in my opinion, you see me. But 5 now, and if you got both of them do very well enough, do good enough 5. I say very well about them do good enough 5, you see me. But I'm not pick the answer, you see me. I want you guys pick on the answer in the comment section down below. And anybody who pick that you guys opinion, you're entitled to your own opinion. No one can fight, you know. If you say you want to pick Kano, you pick Kano. If you don't want to pick Wiley, you pick Wiley. That's you guys' opinion. Freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of opinion. Remember, we live in a free country. Alright guys, peace.